What is up, you guys? It's Ram and welcome back to my channel. I am now Novotel. I came all the way from UN for my exam for insurance commission. Kasi nag-sunlight ako and yes, finally nakapasa ako, guys. And ngayon, it's time for me to rest and pamper myself and celebrate as well. So, let's come in my room. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ang lamig, guys. Sobrang init sa labas. I swear, I am not kidding. Kasi nag-taxi ako all the way here. Pero parang walang aircon. But anyways, I'm here. There's nothing to make reklamo about. And let me give you guys a room tour. Okay, when you come in, oh my gosh, you will see here a vanity mirror. Hello, so yan. Yeah. And then look at the banyo, guys. I swear. See? May pailaw ang ating mirror. Okay, I like this. Look at the sink with all the amenities you need there. All like the things that you need for toothbrush and everything. And then yes, my hair dryer, mga best. Okay, and of course you have this one, the toilet with bidet. Yes, guys, may bidet. Gusto mo yun? Di ba yung nakahanap yan sa mga room tour, mga bidet-bidet? And of course, syempre, meron tayong shower. Hey! Na may overlooking sa aking kama. But like, you can put it down naman. Ayun o, yung curtain. Kung shy type ka. But in my case, shy type ako. Okay? And then, I have here my king-size bed. Yeah. All for myself. I have a complimentary coffee and like everything that I need. From the mini bar, I have complimentary water. And I have a small couch right here. There. And of course, I have TV. And this desk. I'm gonna edit a lot of videos later, including this. So this is a room for myself. Check out the view, guys. I love the view. Yeah. Nakikita niyo ba? Ito pang view ko, yung pool, and there's like a big garden out there. Ayan, look at the view of Araneta right there. Thank you! Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have welcome amenities. Thank you so much. Yay! But before anything else, let me just rest. You know, I'll take a bath. I'll just, you know, change my clothes and rest for a while because, oh my god, I barely had sleep. I only had like 2 hours sleep. So, yep, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Hi, good evening, Sir Jam. I'm Jeric, sir. May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Food is here.
Where do you want me to put your orders?
In front of the bed, please. Yes. Awesome.
This is the beef tender, right, sir?
Yes.
Pizza pampang.
Thank you.
Then I have some tabasco.
Yes, perfect.
Your order complete.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Man, I'm so glad food is here. Oh my gosh. I ordered a lot. I ordered like a medium steak. I ordered like Caesar salad and one pizza. And then I also paired it with a glass of Cabernet Sauvignon. I'm so excited. This is such a celebration for me. Cheers! Okay, right after eating, I washed my face. Already took a bath earlier and oh my gosh. I did a lot of like editing. Now I'm just watching oh my gosh, Tom and Jerry. Yung tagal ko napapanood yun. And today will be more of really just resting because I only had 2 hours of sleep earlier. So tomorrow I'll be waking up early so I can just like have my early breakfast. Maybe show you the gym also if I can. Like it opens at 6 a.m. So maybe I'll start with gym pala. Gym, breakfast, pool. Yun na lang tayo tomorrow. Okay, and I'll show you around the area also, okay? But for now, I just wanna like watch TV, relax, and sleep in a bit. Good night, guys. I'll get back to you tomorrow. Good morning! Morning! Yes, that was a good night's sleep. Hoy, ang dami nagsiswimming. Nakakaingit kayo ah. Nandiyan na kayo ang future jowa ko.
From above, everyday would seem turning into love song.
Alright, good morning. It's time for breakfast. Medyo 20 minutes na lang matapos ng breakfast. Okay, but hindi na nagising ako. Humabol lang ako. And ang daming selections, guys. For the meantime, I'll just eat. Babalik ako pag okay na ako. I'm gonna check out today. So, yeah. I'll be right back. I'll just eat. Oh, so good. Ang sarap na ng in-room dining ko last night. Ang sarap na ng breakfast with fish. It's not just breakfast today, by the way. Grabe. I'm so done with breakfast. That was so filling. Now I'm heading back to my room and fix my stuff and like take a bath kasi I'm checking out today. Oh my gosh, I got a rush. Hindi ako nakapag-ayos. Oh my God, ito nung bagong gising talaga ako. Girl. Okay, I'll be back when I'm in the room na. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good. Good morning. Back to the goddamn room. So, mag-i-impake na ako at habang nag-i-impake ako guys, may gosh, napakagulo na room ko, te. Mag-charge ako ng cam habang nag-i-impake dahil after this, I'm going to 2 restaurants for a shoot pa. OMG! So mo yun? Alright guys, I'm done taking a bath, I'm done packing, and I'm about to check out. I'm gonna miss this room. Sobrang gulong room. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely checking in again after like siguro next month. Kasi madami mangyayari guys. And siguro all my celebrations will be here next. So yeah, that's it for me for today. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, go hit that subscribe button and notification bell para update ko sa mga videos na i-upload ko in the future. And I'll see you guys on the next jamming session on your Jams Vlogs. Bye! Bye! It's so hard to leave. Thanks.